Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your iPhone is updated and Bluetooth and Find My are enabled. That guarantees smooth pairing. Once done, inspect possible mounting spots under the seat, inside the glove box, or behind trim so the tag is hidden yet has signal. You'll want a quality holder or automotive-grade adhesive that resists vibration and temperature changes. This prevents drop-off and false separations. Pair immediately to your Apple ID and name the tag clearly so you can identify it in the Find My app. Next, configure Find My settings. Enable Notify when left behind and, if supported, Precision Finding for closer guidance. Then set safe locations like home so you avoid false alerts, and run a sound test to confirm you can audibly locate the AirTag if needed. Once configured, take a short drive route similar to your normal trips to check that the tag maintains consistent connection and shows accurate location history. Make sure battery level appears normal and adjust placement if you see intermittent drops. Finally, secure the AirTag in its final position away from airbags, extreme heat, or metal shielding that can block signals. Make sure it's unobtrusive and can be retrieved without disassembly. If you ever need it, open Find My and use Play Sound or Precision Finding to locate the tag quickly. If location updates are inconsistent, try forcing a repair, swap in a fresh CR2032 battery, and verify iPhone location services. These 3 steps resolve most connectivity or accuracy problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.